Hey guys, welcome to the Load Bird. This is November 21st. Make sure you like and subscribe on the channel. This is Amazon in Buffalo, New York. Check it out. Any questions, comment below. Here's my face. I'll put you somewhere. So get an idea of the average pay for Amazon right here. You want to go to New York right here. So you're where I'm at the moment. And you want to go to New York. Let's do that one. 1,800 bucks. It's only a one stop, two if you count it. They provide a trailer. That's gonna get you there. You know how the weather is right now there, so there's that. Okay, so let's do this. We're gonna go to the settings. We're gonna go to save searches. We're at power only. Let's pretend you guys are power only. And then we're gonna change the settings. We're gonna start in New York, right? Okay, so it's not even an option. There it is. Buffalo, New York. We're gonna do a 100-mile, potential 100-mile radius, and we're not going at a destination that matters. And we're just gonna do it right now. As many stops as you want. We're gonna just do the price per mile at $2, just to kind of weed out the very cheap ones. Trust me, there's several for like $1.50. Ridiculous. Oh, here we go. Lancaster to Ohio. That'll get you up there near Cleveland. Yeah, so we're looking at $2.21 a loaded or every mile. I don't know why it does that. I hate when that happens. 184 miles, $405. I believe they got like a ton of snow over there right now, like 77 inches. And that's ridiculous that they're not paying very good for those short hops. Usually the short hops can go up as much as like $10 a mile. Yeah, so this is the kind of stuff you can look forward to there, even with 77 inches of snow. Here's $5 a mile, $2 a mile. That's really it for New York. Wow, you'd think they'd have a lot more. Well, let's see. Let's say you brought your own trailer. Okay, so we'll go down here to trailer status. We'll switch it to required. Okay. And it's a 53 trailer, 53-foot trailer. Let's do it. None available right now. There's some a little bit further away, 175 miles away, in Lettsdale, Pennsylvania. It goes to Imperial, Pennsylvania. Pays $11 a mile. It's 20 miles. This is a live load, but if you do the Amazon trailers, they're usually already preloaded. It's usually in and out. It's pretty quick. You'll have the occasional guy who can't back his trailer into the right parking slip. It takes forever. You'll have a long line of people who are completely not ready to even check in, but they're there anyways. So yeah, guys, that's Buffalo, New York. Not much going on. Of course, they're snowed in, but you'd think they'd pay a lot more. So yeah, and if you're about to get into trucking and you think Amazon's going to be your only source, no, you can go broke. You need JB Hunt, you need Schneider, you need Landstar, and what I would do is lease on somebody right now. Definitely, rates are low. Rates are horribly low, and I've only been at this for about 8 or 9 months, so don't take my advice. You know what I mean? There's other people. Look at who I'm subscribed to, and that might help you make a check. Get you some good info. There you go. I'm feeling weird. Y'all have a good one. Actually, we're gonna try one more thing. It is the DAT load board. Yeah, I done threw my hat and everything. Let's do this. Buffalo. I'm very, I just really want to know how many loads, and we'll do from today to Friday. How many loads are available coming out of there, and what are they paying? What are they asking to be paid or to pay? Wow, still low. Look at the first one. This is a van or a reefer. 1,900 bucks to go 816 miles. Average right now, I guess, from what I'm seeing. Ah, yeah, JB Hunt's bumped their pay up. They're usually never in the high twos. Megacorp, yeah, I don't know about them. Never ran for them. SRAM neither. So yeah, they're paying a little higher. As soon as I say that, Scotland pops up with a $2 a mile load. Buffalo to Alabama, they get you down south for $2,000. And let's see, concept. Yeah, everybody's paying kind of average, a little above average on some. I don't know. Let's look at power only. So we'll go to edit search, truck type. We'll unclick that and we'll press only. And then we'll go to power only. Now let's stop that. She's making weird noises because she's, you know, you get an itch, focus on it. Well, they do it with their mouth and they're like, dude, stop. She always has this guilty look because, like, she gets into shit and I get onto her and she's always guilty because she's always getting into shit. So every time I walk up to her, she's like, do you know? Do you know? You was on the couch, wasn't you? She'll put her ears down, like, you need to go get a bath, and she'll like fucking bolt. So yeah, power only's paying good right now. Look at that, $328 out of New York. ATS, they're a good company to drive for, I promise. Yeah, if you're stuck in New York, they can get you the hell out of there right now. There's one coming near me. Yeah. That's cool. Now a lot of these power onlys you'll see, they're loadout trailers. And let's see this one. Oh, it doesn't say how many days. A lot of times those you have it for 5 days, sometimes 7, sometimes only 3. But you got to risk. You take a big risk of the trailer being junk when you deadhead all the way over there. Ask me how I know. But hey guys, that's kind of what's going on right now. Rates are just shit. Hey, make sure you subscribe.